Bamboo Supply Union atu Balijan KSA aro phan pinpur alo ke pajil Balijan get inkir nangji Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Toklang EM Silchar Assam University along Kahomridam Difu campus Aparman Kachingwai Kardom ada berta long penil berta than bang thare harmony be nan bertang ton pen arjik tha Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro phan pinpur alo pajirsi Prabjin pen Balijan get inkir nangji pusi arni ke hot Bokajan subdivision ki parlo Balijan along get ki bi ajok Dimapur ana check inhin ki jordamji aphan Tikuk tang lo pusi Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro phan than bachini Ramsola Singpen Balijan along get ki bi ajok check inhin chujor cholang atum alang lipan check kepon anam pharo isipen pharo atangka an pinang puta alam klang Pini pinap angbong Balijan get pripridak nang puputa Bamboo Supply Union atum Balijan KSA ro kachari atum apan chunuri Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Toklang EM Jagat Singh Tilapen Ari Sang Hotum Papa Inquire ka Thomar ni Silchar University along Humri dam pusikat news along berta nang pale Assam University Difu campus along Kedo kabe lapen kisung kadure aputhak kachingwai je aphan Papa Inquire ka Thomar ni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Tokbor IEM Jagat Singh Inti Difu Campus Pro Chancellor Sibasis Biswas Lapen Dibrugarh University Court Executive Member Mate Thekar Abirta Ahemphu Longsing Teron Atum Assam University along Humridam Alang Litung Vice Chancellor Dilip Chandranath Daphan Chetong Dampen Difu Campus along Melang Kesuka Chelang Awarsai Kabe Inghoi Kairal Kom Kabe Thanbang Kadure Haihui Aputhak Kachingwai Aklong Paledam Dogmoka Town Committee Kilik Mate Election Arni Kate Bok Lang Dampen Papa Inquire ka Thomar ni Dogmoka BJP Asahem along Kilik Amai Padupusi Ladak Birta nang pale Dogmoka Town Mondol ST Morcha Amai Phu Salong ki tiso Chephampu Ben Kangni Kilik Aphan Kachithik Amai along BJP ST Morcha Amai Phu Rupmo Tokpi Lapan Mahamaya Constituency BDC Amai Phu Longsing Tokpi Lapan Ari Sangho Atum Chetongdun Samilang so Block Mondol ST Morcha Atum ta Kilik Kachingwai along RDP dun Nan malam support fan bertamu don ponik sina
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecho ajam thu Tharmit Aduk Thelua Kreng Chitronola Ukthor Pen Chenglok Ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji Aturkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Karbi Anglong Assam 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products and grocery items.
Dihina mo piputat bertalong bangtulo Borjan constituency ke parlo dilai along kikim community hall akimi Papa Inquire ka Thomar ni ingpu pontanglo Bokajan subdivision ke parlo Borjan constituency dilai along kikim akimi community hall Papa Inquire ka Thomar ni Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council a chairman long kitimu ari deng pensi ingpu pontanglo Kangpu amai along Borjan constituency VDC amai phu Dilai Sport Association amai phu atum Chitongdun Ada berta mang lapan sikang ton pon iglo dometang me kurwang tu